Hey guys, it's Symphony. I actually look so rough right now. Like, are you serious? I'm gonna be filming a makeup tutorial today. I have a little bit of leftover makeup from yesterday, but we're gonna ignore that. So, starting off, the look I'm doing is my grunge look that I talked about. Goth and grunge used to mainly be my style, like, honestly, a year ago, and then, like, 4 years before that. Pretty much I've, like, just started to get out of my grunge phase, so it's kind of funny that I'm doing this, because I'm like, okay, like, going back to my old ways. I don't know, I kind of miss doing, like, grungier looks, and I had a girl who follows me on Instagram tag me in a picture that I will try to pop up on the screen here or somewhere. It might take up the whole screen. She wanted me to recreate this makeup look, and it was super grungy and very, like, old me. And so I thought it would be fun to challenge myself and to try out a different makeup look than I usually do. So I'm still gonna keep it very, like, me, if that makes sense, like my version of grunge. As to where I'm at now with my style, I've got an outfit picked out. I'm gonna wear these green striped pants with Chris's Harley shirt, and then I can't decide if I'm gonna wear Docs or Converse with it. Also, my plant's in the frame. I hope that doesn't annoy you. I thought it was kind of cute. So let's get into this fucking tutorial. Alright. I'm using primer. I swear to God, you guys, I'm just trying to use this stuff up. I don't even know how I feel about primer anymore. I've always had a love-hate relationship with it. Sometimes I feel like it makes a huge difference. Sometimes I think it's just a gimmick. Why is my face so red? Also, these look like acne spots, but it's actually the reality of having a cat that loves to knead on your face. So, oh, I can't wait to not look like this. The best thing I can tell you guys as far as, like, a makeup look like this goes is to not fucking care. Like, I mean, care enough, but, like, don't try to make it perfect. Like, it's supposed to be smoky and messy and not amazing, you know. Next, I'm gonna not really care about my foundation in this, so I'm only gonna be using this foundation again. I got a lot of redness going on, and I should really use something heavier for a day like today, but I am just not feeling it. I kind of want to use this stuff up because it's not my favorite foundation. Foundation is the absolute hardest thing for me to find, like, to fall in love with. Like, I can't find one that's just, like, it, you know? Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it is nearly impossible to find a foundation that I am like, okay, this is the one, and I never need to use another one again. Like, I always feel like I'm like, okay, this one's good, but, like, it doesn't have good enough coverage, or, like, it creases really badly, or I don't know. So yeah, I'm taking this blending brush, like always. I'm blending this out. This is the dirtiest fucking brush. I've already replaced this a few times. I don't know what the fuck I was talking about a minute ago, but it doesn't matter because I'm past it evidently. But I've been, like, super fixated on, like, okay, like, how do I be myself on camera? Like, you know, should I be a little bit more goofy and show, like, my goofy, like, stoner side, or should I show, like, you know, should I be more professional so that I don't fuck up my YouTube career that I'm trying so hard to accomplish, you know, or, like, I'm trying to figure myself out right now, pretty much is all I'm trying to say, and, it's really weird to be, like, so focused, because, like, you know, I always stress about the content that I make, and I don't even think about how I act in my videos, and then I end up just, like, generally not really loving my videos all that much, which is, like, because I'm like, oh, like, I sound like I'm being a bitch, or, like, I'm really uninteresting to listen to, and, like, I just get so, like, I overthink, like, the way that you guys, I guess, think of me online. Like, I worry, like, I'm not funny enough, like, I'm not cool enough, like, I don't know, it's really stupid, and that's, like, probably just something I should not be worried about at all with doing YouTube, but it's my biggest fucking issue right now, so that's fun. I'm using my concealer. I need to just chill. I'm gonna go ahead and set this. I just feel like I'm in a weird mood today. I've been like really annoyed and overwhelmed because I don't know, but like I can't fully relax unless I'm like either just with Chris or if I'm alone. I just can't fully like go into my like zen mode, if that makes sense, to where I'm like just doing my thing. I don't know, like I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna set my eyes with the Peaches and Cream from the Peach palette that I literally do in every video where I'm doing my makeup. I think more so what I like mean is that like I would love to help other people out and like do things for other people, but I'm not gonna be happy about doing that unless I can take care of myself first and like do my shit first. And if I'm like out here having to do things for other people when I've got my whole own list of like my things that I need to do, I will fucking lose my mind, and that's about where I'm at right now. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. I can't even film a fucking makeup tutorial without someone fucking calling me or someone messaging me. Like, literally, I just want to fucking make YouTube videos. Why is this so fucking hard for me? Oh. Okay, let's continue. I'm gonna do my brows now. Okay, it's time for eyeshadow. I'm so nervous about this part. Taking this brush from e.l.f. and I'm gonna start with Summer Yum. It's the perfect, shut the hell up! It's the perfect grunge shade. I'm gonna say grunge about 1,000 times in this video, and then when I'm editing this, I'm literally gonna want to die. But it is like the perfect shade for a look like this. So what I'm gonna do is just put it all over my lid and just pack it in there because I want it to be nice and pigmented. I look like Lindsay Rem right now. Literally, she is such an icon. Like, I love her so much. It's about right. Okay, so then on a big old fluffy brush, this one's from Sephora, I'm going to take the color right next to that called Puree and just blend all of that out like throughout my crease. I literally just looked in the mirror and I was like, oh my god. Like, it's fucking 2017 again, you guys. I'm taking Summer Yum again and just putting that underneath my eyes because this right here is what I think like is the most signature thing when doing a grunge look, is just getting it really smoky underneath as well. I don't like to go super overboard with it, so I'm going to do that same thing again and take Puree and blend it out with the fluffy brush. And then I think I'm really liking how this is looking. This stuff is starting to dry out on me. I really need some new mascara. The NYX like XXL is fantastic. I borrowed it from my friend one time and I've been obsessed with it ever since, but they don't sell it at the drugstore. I think I need to go to Ulta to get it. My eyes look so blue on camera right now, like it's kind of freaking me out. They kind of look really blue in person. I have green eyes, but it just happens like that sometimes. Bronzer time. Lashes would make this look about 1,000 times better, but my lashes are in the basement. I don't feel like running down 2 flights of stairs and then running back up 2 flights of stairs just for some fucking lashes. I am doing highlighter because I am not about to walk out of the house without fucking highlighter on when I've got this much goddamn makeup on. I feel like I look weird without highlighter now. It's pretty much my favorite thing. I just feel like I want to be like really positive and shit, but I feel like my humor can be I don't want to say like dark or depressing necessarily, but I do feel like it can be a little, what's the fucking word, what am I trying to say? Like it's really like sarcastic sometimes and almost comes off as bitchy, and I think that, tying back into what I was talking about earlier, is why I worry about my image so much, because like I could just see so many people thinking that like I'm a bitch to Chris, or that like I'm a bitch just in general, and I mean, I'm a nice person. I don't know, like, I like giving shit, man. So I'm gonna line my lips with this like nude lip liner, and then I'm gonna go in with Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild. Okay, there are the lips, see? Tied it all back together. The pink was too damn much. I haven't seen myself with makeup like this in so long, and I honestly don't hate it. Like, I think it's pretty damn cute. Mainly because I've just learned to, like, not go overboard with my makeup and keep it more natural looking. And I'm happy that I can, like, do a grungy kind of look, but keep it natural at the same time. I'm gonna do a little bit more mascara here and there, because I think I need it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my outfit, and I'll be right back. Don't look. Okay. I'm in my fit for the day. I'm squatting so that you guys can see it okay. So yeah, this is the Harley shirt of Chris's that I'm borrowing for the day. We pretty much share like all of our clothes now at this point. He got this at Goodwill, and then I've got these really awesome striped pants on that you guys have seen from previous videos. I don't have shoes on yet. These are the best pants ever, and I think that they actually look so sick with this shirt. And then I think I'm just gonna throw on, I still can't decide, either Docs or Converse. I'm honestly really happy with how my makeup turned out. I said that in my last video too, but I am. I think it turned out really good, and my hair is nice and wavy today, which is great, and I'm feeling my fit a lot. Like, it's super, super fucking comfy, and if you guys liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you have any like other ideas for makeup looks and like outfits and stuff to do. I want to make all sorts of videos. I've got so many fucking ideas. So I was actually planning on filming a what my followers assume about me reaction video, but I literally got 3 fucking assumptions. So I was like, okay, I need to stop trying so hard to like interact with my Instagram audience, because I don't think my Instagram followers really care that much about my YouTube, and I don't even have that big of a following on YouTube, so I don't know why I act like I can just like make a poll and that anybody's gonna fucking respond. So I'm gonna stick to my own creative ideas. That's where I'm at with that. So yeah, I'm gonna do some glamour shots now. Glamour shots by Deb. I'm just gonna get out of here, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my fucking channel, because it's going to help me out so much. And look out for my next video. I don't know when it'll be up, but it'll be up very fucking soon. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.